Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing the kit bag from Stubble&Co and seeing how good it works as a photography backpack. I've been putting it through its paces here over the last couple of weeks in the Maldives, and I'm going to be talking about what my initial impressions are of it and whether I think it's perfect for photographers. So first up, let's talk about the actual size of the bags. They come in a 30 litre, a 40 litre and a 65 litre bag as well. I've got the 40 litre bag here in yellow, which I think the colour is just beautiful. The size of it is actually perfect for taking on long haul flights as well. It's great as hand luggage. I feel like this 40 litre bag is perfect for long haul photography trips. You can fit it in hand luggage, especially on things like BA, which is what I flew to here in the Maldives. Had no problem getting it onto the hand luggage there. I actually managed to fit about 18 kilos worth of photography gear in here as well. So you can sneak on a lot more than you would in another backpack or hand luggage. It's super spacious on the inside, so you can fit a lot of gear in here as well. And it won't be too heavy on your bag. The straps are really well made, but it's pretty comfortable even when it's got that much weight inside of it. As you might see from the front of it, I definitely put it through its paces here in the Maldives, but the material that the front part of this bag is made from is super durable. It's kind of like a canvasy material. It's got a few scuffs on it, but that's pretty much it. And that's not bad for what I've put it through here in the Maldives. Taking it out on the boats, getting sprayed by salt water, going through all the hardships that it does with me during my travels, and it's really held up well to the test. In terms of the features, we've got a normal zip pocket here at the top. This is great for easy access documents, maybe your AirPods, something like that. Great for things that you need quick access to. Now, the laptop compartment is actually on the back part of the bag, so this is obviously what you put around you. So you don't have to worry about anyone stealing your laptop because your back's gonna be against it the entire time, whereas normally laptop sleeves a lot of the time tend to be on the outside as well, or on the side, which leaves them a little bit more vulnerable to being stolen. I really love the design of this bag, super elegant, and it just looks beautiful. It's wearable as a backpack, but you can also use it as a duffel as well. So these straps come off and you can use it and carry it as a duffel bag as well. So if you've really got it packed to the brim with equipment and it's a little bit too heavy for your bag, you can wear it as a duffel as well. Now, there's a compartment here at the bottom of the bag that is really good for use. It's kind of like a wet compartment, let's say. Any wet clothes that you might have, even shoes as well, really good to go in here. This is really good if you're using this as kind of like a hybrid bag. Maybe you're using it for work and then also to go to the gym as well. After the gym, you can put all your wet clothes and your shoes in here, and it keeps everything else in the rest of the bag nice and clean. This has proved handy here on my travels where I've come out of the water and I've got some wet clothes or wet towels. I just put them in here, throw on my new clothes, and the rest of the bag and all my camera equipment, most importantly, and the rest of my bag stays dry. Now, moving on to the main compartment of the bag, it is so spacious. You can fit so much equipment in here, clothing, really anything that you want, and I think you'd be hard pressed to fill it up to the brim. It's actually so spacious that I've been using it as a hybrid dive bag whilst out here in the Maldives. It's big enough that I can fit my fins, my mask, snorkel, as well as all my camera equipment as well. Now, on the inside part of where the laptop goes, there's another compartment here, which is really good for documents, books, anything like that that you want to keep flat. Now, in terms of use as a photography bag, if you see my review of the 30 litre hybrid bag from Stubble&Co, one of my problems with that was that it doesn't have any capacity for compartmentalization. So it's just an open bag space, which means that whilst you can fit a lot of things in there, once you close the bag and put it on your back, everything inside gets jumbled around and messed up. And when you open it again, everything is just everywhere. It makes it a nightmare for photographers. Now, Stubble&Co have addressed that in the form of packing cubes. They come in 3 different sizes and they're great for compartmentalization and just packing everything away neatly. It helps to keep everything in place within the backpack. And as long as you remember which packing cube you put which item, it's perfect for organizing. So I use a combination of the packing cubes to pack all my accessories, like my lenses, my action cameras, all the batteries, anything like that. Only thing that I keep outside of the packing cube is my main camera and the drone. I keep these just loose in the main compartment of the bag just because normally I need easy access to them, like my camera, or if you're going through airport security, something like a drone, a lot of the time, they ask you to take it out, so I just want easy access to it. The packing cubes have been a game changer for using this backpack, and they've been incredibly helpful at organizing all my gear within this bag whilst traveling. Honestly, I really don't have any qualms with this backpack whatsoever. Add on top of it the packing cubes and it pretty much makes it very close to being a perfect photography backpack. It's great for long distance travel and packing all that gear away. And if you're going on a trip where you're only allowed hand luggage, it's great for using as a hybrid bag where you can have equipment as well as clothing as well. It's beautifully designed and built, and I'd highly recommend it to any photographers that are looking for a more rugged hybrid style backpack. Hopefully this review has been helpful and it's given you some insight into what using this backpack is like in the field. Let me know if you already have it and you're using it and what your experiences are with it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.